SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to turn on AirDrop on iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. There's two different ways that you can turn on AirDrop so that you can share files with other people. The first option involves opening the Control Center, which you do by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen. That's going to bring up this menu, and now you just need to tap and hold on this wireless square at the top left of the screen. Now you'll see that there's an AirDrop option here, so if you tap that button, then you can select either the contacts only or the everyone for 10 minutes option, depending on the person with whom you want to share files. The other way that you can turn AirDrop on is to open the Settings app. You can then scroll down and choose the General option. You can then choose AirDrop from this menu, and then you'll see the same set of options here. If you choose the everyone for 10 minutes option, then after 10 minutes, AirDrop is going to turn back off, which is generally a safe thing to do, as you don't want to leave AirDrop open so that just anyone can send you files.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit SolveYourTech.com.